Ano po, siguro bukod po sa grateful po talaga ako sa blessings. Grateful din po ako sa mga boss, sa mga producers and directors na sumusugal pa rin sa akin na tingin nila I can do the role, I can fit for the role na binibigay nila. Thank you po dahil nakikitaan nila ako na as someone na trustworthy na actress na hindi ko po kasi binibigay yung credit sa sarili ko or sa talent ko. It's more of giving them the credit for trusting me. Ganun po lagi yung mindset ko. Kaya whenever there's a project po, hindi po siya because of me, it's because of them. It's because of the people na binibigay ko ng work.
But you have to credit yourself as well because ikaw yung nagkatrabaho. Diba?
Galing yan, si Sai. Sobrang galing.
When I work with her again, it's okay ba tayo ulit mag-work together? Ngayon, di ba? Syempre nung bata yan, ilang beses ko na yan nakatrabaho. So, when we work together sa It's Okay, hanap talaga, as in like, one, memorize ang lines right away, continuity, alam na alam niya, and talagang, she's a natural. She's a natural, as in, comic timing, wit, quick wit, as in, kaya talagang natuwa ako na naka-work siya dito sa It's Okay, na-remind ako, sabi, oh my gosh, I'm so happy that, you're getting work tuloy-tuloy, and people are appreciating you. At ngayon, syempre, baby girl ka pa rin namin, kahit nadalaga ka na, babalutan ka pa rin nila ng mga kuya mo, pero still, she's, the talent never faded. So, and I'm excited to see her grow up. Not grow, but grow. But, just for her to do more roles pa in the future na mas challenge at makitaan pa natin siya.
Of course.